Hello everyone, welcome to Kuro Gaming. We are excited to announce our partners for this video, Gamdias, featuring Talos E3, coming with a sleek aesthetic and a white finish, making this modern, compact and powerful. Let's move on to a detailed build guide. Coming to the motherboard, we have B650M. Now what sets this motherboard apart from others is its robust build quality and comprehensive connectivity options. Firstly, we have Ryzen 7 7700X, the high performance 8-core 16-thread CPU from AMD Zen 4 architecture. Is a powerhouse with a base clock speed of 4.5 GHz and a boost clock speed of 5.4 GHz, making your everyday tasks snappy. Coming to pass mark performance test, Ryzen 7 7700X has scored 35,961, beating all its competitors by 44%. It's perfect for overclocking and optimizing your system, ensuring you get the best performance. Now coming to the RAM, we have 32GB DDR5 6000 MT RAM. Now this kit is perfect for memory intensive applications and heavy multitasking, be it video editing, be it 3D model rendering, be it you're dealing with large data sets. This RAM is here to improve your workflow significantly and also reduce your render times. For storage, we have 1 TB M.2 NVMe SSD. It provides ample amount of storage for our operating system, files, applications, games, etc. When you have a high-performing processor, Ryzen 7 7700X, cooling plays a huge role in maintaining longevity and performance. For that, we have 240mm liquid RGB CPU cooler, which operates around the noise level 25 to 30 decibels, which is considered quite compared to other air coolers. Coming to the PSU, we have a 650 watt continuous power supply, ensuring that your system runs smoothly even under heavy loads. With a high performance 120mm fan, this PSU provides excellent cooling while maintaining low noise levels. Now let's talk about the graphic card. RTX 3060, 12GB GDDR6. RTX 3060 stands out of all the GPUs in its range because of its real-time ray tracing. Moving to its speeds, the base clock speed hits 1320 MHz and the boost clock speed is 1777 MHz, optimizing the processing power by a lot. Once again, special thanks to our collaborator, Gamdias. Whether you're into content creation, gaming, etc., this setup has got you all covered. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do hit the bell icon to get notified with our next video.